Mild ankle discomfort can quietly progress into chronic pain and stiffness. Cartilage has almost no ability to heal on its own once damaged. Modern techniques now repair and even regenerate damaged cartilage. Microfracture stimulates the body to grow new cartilage from within. Biologic injections and cell therapies support natural tissue regeneration. Left untreated, cartilage loss leads to early arthritis and joint breakdown. Get evaluated before cartilage damage becomes irreversible.